Hey everyone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to $171 plus on your Coinbase account. Now I did a video like this last week where we were talking about things like XRP and a few other crypto coins that I made for free just using my Coinbase account and watching a few videos. And I got some good feedback from it, and a lot of you said that you were thankful for it and you actually claimed some of the free cryptos. So I thought I would jump on here and do another one because I logged back into my account and there was some more rewards that I could earn. So I'm just gonna make myself a little smaller. And you can see here at the top, it says $171 up there. So this is where you have to click once you have a Coinbase account. Now, if you don't have a Coinbase account already, down below there is a link to join Coinbase. You can even go under my link. I would greatly appreciate it. That would be awesome. I might even earn a little commission from it if you spend some money on there. Now, let's see how this works. I've already clicked on it. So for this one, as you can see, I've already collected CeeLo. I got earned $6 there. Maker, which is another coin that I really like, so I earned $6 there as well. And this was literally all I did was watched 3 or 4 videos that were like 30 seconds to a minute each, and then I just answered one question. You get that right, you earn $2. It's not bad for like 10 minutes work, right? So let's go back up. EOS have already earned in that, but now I'm just waiting to invite friends. So if I send a link out and somebody clicks on it, they take the test, I guess, or they watch the video and answer that one question. I'll also earn another $10, which is pretty cool. So there is the upside and potential that you can earn even more. Now, we have compound left to make some money on. Okay, so here we are. So lesson, there's 4. Use compound with Coinbase Wallet. Blah, blah, blah. Start tutorial. Okay. All right, in this lesson, you'll learn how to earn interest by using Coinbase Wallet to supply crypto to compound. Complete the tutorial and you'll earn $10 in comp and $3 in USD coin. Oh, nice. Our step-by-step tutorial usually takes less than 15 minutes to complete. All right, so this one's a little bit longer than the others, but you kind of nut to $10 for 15 minutes. Damn, I'm not worried about that. So I'm going to start a tutorial. I'm going to check out the first question here, and then once we've done that, I'm just going to probably put it on pause, and then I'll come back to you at the end. But for now, let's read question 1 and what we got to do. So, set up the Coinbase wallet on your phone. Use a wallet to secure cryptocurrency wallet that lets you access third-party decentralized apps, dApps, like Maker. Coinbase Wallet is required for this lesson. Note, it's different than the main crypto-based app. It is. To download Coinbase Wallet, you can text link to your phone. Alternatively, you can search for Coinbase Wallet in the App Store. No, that's already there. I'm also going to be nice and stick the link to, so you can just download the Coinbase Wallet directly if you're watching this on your mobile or if you're on the desktop. So take me to download wallet, but I have already actually got it as I use it daily, so I will open it up. So I already have a Coinbase wallet. Connect your wallet to Coinbase. Now that you have set that up, please connect it to your main Coinbase account. Open Coinbase, go to connect to Coinbase, complete that. So I have done that, and what I'll do is I'll quickly show you how to do that or where to find this on the mobile. Okay, so just going to head over to the App Store and type in a Coinbase Wallet into the search there. And the Coinbase Wallet is the second one down. So I've already downloaded this once before, but I deleted it like a year ago at least. So we're going to open that up. I'll just check, already have a wallet. But I don't know my recovery phase. Always remember that. So go back and I'll create a new wallet for this. So I've already read the terms and policies, obviously, so I accept that. And I was lucky enough that they actually had my username, Chris Wyatt. So it's not often I get to use my name for a username. Surprisingly, there's a lot of us in the world. And then you got to set your privacy preferences. So you got the choice between public or private. So I've gone public I've gone with the recommended from Coinbase. And I also set up Touch ID for the extra layer of security. I also backed it up on the cloud, and I wrote down my passphrase and put that somewhere safe. Make sure you do the same, because if you lose access, you will need that. Then you need to connect the account. So you go to settings, which is the little cog, and hit the connect to Coinbase there at the bottom, and then connect your account. I'll upload the Coinbase app, and then from there it's just you just authorize it there, and then it connects automatically. So it's pretty straightforward. Ready to transfer coins? Yes, I am. So we'll start the transfer, and then they send over the Ethereum and USD coin as promised. So I got about $10.71 in there, and then yep, we're ready to earn some crypto interest. So I'm going to click I understand, and then you're going to go to USD coin, and you're going to click that one, and you're going to invest a compound. Now the minimum is $3. Like they gave you $3, so it's not a problem. Just stick it all in there, and then lend the money. And then within a few minutes, you're going to notice that the earn interest on your crypto is going to be showing the $3. There we go. And where Ethereum and USD coin is, compound USD coin is already, and it's already there, is going to pop up. So you can see you can earn some nice free crypto there just from downloading a wallet, which will hopefully come in handy with you at another point in time if you want to invest more and to earn more crypto. We'll just go to portfolio, because I really don't know if it's going to show anything in here as well. Yeah, so you can see that I've got some compound here, which is worth $14 there, so it's making up nearly 1% of my portfolio now. And you can also see on the mobile app that I'm earning some interest. I've got Ethereum, and I've got the compound USD coin, and USD coin is 0 now because I invested that into compound. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. If you got any questions, remember to subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be making a lot more videos like this, trying to find you guys some good ways to earn some good free crypto, and to get you, hopefully trading it on Yanda and making even more profits. So until the next one, may the profits be with you.